Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable location services on Twitter. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Axe application. Make sure you are logging to your account. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support option. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Privacy and Safety option. Scroll down until you find Location Information option. Tap on it. To enable location services on Twitter, just enable Personalized based on places you have been option and Personalized based on precise location option. And that's it. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.